Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Poonam. So today I'm making banana smoothie. So before we get into the video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, The Chubby Chick. Also please do not forget to follow me on Instagram. Bananas are a great source of potassium. It is the quickest and the healthiest form of breakfast. Without any further ado, let's get cooking. So first things first, I've taken a NutriBullet over here. You can take a mixer grinder, whatever you have it at your home. I'm adding one banana into it. I'm keeping some for garnish. So next I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of roasted oats. I've roasted them in a pan. You can do the same thing. Oats keep you fuller for a longer period of time and hence serve as a great breakfast option. Next I'm adding about 1 teaspoon of flax seeds and chia seeds each. They are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids and you need some good fats in your meal. Moving on to the next ingredient now. This is my favorite and I almost add it in all my breakfast smoothies. So cinnamon for me works really well. You can add cinnamon if you want and you can totally skip it if you don't like the taste of it. I'm adding about half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. So next up is my favorite twist to the smoothie. I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder here. I love how it makes the smoothie chocolatey and rich and it is a great source of antioxidants, so why not? I'm adding some water over here for it to blend well. You can add milk if you want or you can use any nut milk if you're vegan. I also like to add some almond butter or peanut butter to it to make it nice and creamy, but since I ran out of it, I'm not adding anything. Now blend it well until it forms a nice creamy smoothie like texture. You can also choose to add some honey or sugar if you want. Now pour it into a very fancy bowl if you have any. If you don't have it, you can use a bowl like mine. I'm gonna decorate it with some slices of bananas. You can add any fruit of your choice over here. Add any nuts or seeds or peanut butter, almond butter on the side, anything you like. I'm adding chia seeds because I love chia seeds, and I'm also gonna put some almonds and walnuts to it. So basically just choose any toppings you like. You can add anything on the top and make it look fancier. I'm gonna take a spoon and dig into the smoothie now. Let's see how it looks. Oh god, look at the creamy goodness, you guys. Please let me know in the comments below how do you like it. Also, if you're making this at home, please do not forget to tag me on Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. Check out other healthy recipes I've put up on my channel. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, The Chubby Chick. Till then, keep smiling, stay safe, stay healthy.